Hi, today I want to share with you my honest review about ClickUp. We've been using that as our go-to project management tool after trying like 4 different ones. And this one has been really amazing. I'll just put it straight out there. And the main thing that I want to highlight in this video are the AI features that it basically has. So I'll just quickly show you what they look like. So let me share my screen and we'll get into that. Demonstration, I have added a demo space with lists and some documents as well. So I'll start right from here. So for example, if you have a look at this list, what you can do is summarize the list. Of course, the summary is going to be very, I would say, bland because all of these tasks are pretty old. It's from a template. But if you have an actual live list, it will show you the details of that. This one is more for a broader, let's say, project update. All the tasks which are here, the ones that have been closed, the ones that are in progress, you can decide which ones you want to look at, and you can filter them as well for the report, and it will instantly generate the report for you. You can find tasks that are stuck for more than X amount of days. You can also find duplicates. So let's generate that and see if we can find any tasks which fall into this criteria. So pretty much all the tasks do fall in this criteria. Perfect. So it gives you all that information, and besides that, you can also search or ask questions about this list. So for example, I could ask here, find me all the tasks which mention the word, let's say, newsletter. I know there's not going to be anything here because these are template tasks, and there we go. It basically exactly tells me that. And on top of that, the good thing about this is that the user experience is really nice. It suggests you follow-up questions that you can ask to find out more information about your initial question instead of you typing it out. I mean, of course, that option is there as well. And this is not just for individual projects or lists. What you can do is actually you can go to the home screen and you can chat with the entire, let's say, workspace that you basically have. So you can get team updates, like for example, I'll check for mine, select the time range, and then I can create a stand-up which is for my tasks alone. Or I can do one for the team as well. So I'll just cross this out. And the other thing is, yeah, team updates, right, stand-up, that's more or less the same thing, same options. You can also search for anything that you like. One particular feature that I use quite a bit is this one. So what should I work on next? Let me actually click on that and see what answer it generates. You can also ask other questions like this, but the benefit of this is that it actually tells you that, okay, these are your urgent tasks. This is what you should be working on next. So really helpful from that perspective. And of course, you can do an AI search. This is ClickUp Brain, I believe, that will be triggered. So let's ask it a question like, can you find me all the tasks and documents that mention the word rag, for example, and I'll go ahead and search with AI. It's going to ask ClickUp Brain and find me all the relevant information related to that, and then I can ask it follow-up questions like I showed previously. So that is pretty much it. Like I said previously, this is not a review of ClickUp as a product, but rather the AI integration that ClickUp has. And the reason why I decided to create this one is because I've tried about, I think, somewhere north of 60 different AI products in the last year and a half. And 95% of them are just either slapping the AI badge on top of their product, or, their integration is clunky at best. So this is one of those few products which actually has AI integration that adds some value. I mean, in our case, we haven't had a stand-up meeting, a synchronous stand-up meeting in the last 2 or 3 weeks. There was just one which was more of a all hands thing. So it really saves time from that perspective, and it helps in keeping things asynchronous. We also have linked our spaces to Discord channels, so whenever something gets updated or completed or there's any comment, you get the notification in there as well. So it's pretty neat from that perspective, and I will be sharing every such way in which we're using AI to increase our own organization's productivity as we go. So if you want to receive updates about that, I've dropped the link to our newsletter in the description or the comments, depending on where you're watching this video. So feel free to subscribe to that if you would like to get that in your inbox every week. Have a nice day. See you in another video. Bye.